This comes up way too much, and you know it's annoying me when I'm recording a video while sick to the point that my voice is bad even though I've healed up otherwise, and I'm still making a video about it. Windows 10, people keep saying run Windows 10 LTSC, Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC, Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC. No, I'm not going to do it. Shut up. Stop telling people to do that. First of all, if you actually care about it, you don't have a legal license to it. I don't care about that, obviously. But for normies, you shouldn't be telling them to switch editions to an edition they don't have a legal license to, and they probably won't have the knowledge to keep functional in the long term. Secondly, one of the problems with LTSC that I ran into is that newer software requires at least, like, some of it requires 22H2 or whatever, and you don't have that with LTSC. I think it's like 21H2. But the point is that there's software that won't run if you have an LTSC version because it's an old version of Windows 10. So it locks you out of some software. And why are you running IoT Enterprise LTSC anyway? Like, what are you gaining from it? I can understand Enterprise because it at least gives you RDMA if you're doing 10 gigabit or 40 gigabit Ethernet. I told you I was sick, so don't get mad at me for coughing. But this is the thing. I get comments like this all the time. We should use Windows IoT Enterprise LTSC. No. Why can't we just, why can't we just deal with it? Why can't we just tell Microsoft, screw you, we're not installing Windows 11, get over it, and you'll give us the updates if we even care about them. I think you shouldn't even care about updates. Updates are stupid. Updates are a great way to nuke your computer remotely. Updates are a remote code execution vulnerability. You let Microsoft just put arbitrary code on your PC. Are you stupid? So why are you even caring about this? What's wrong with you? You're screwing up my voice, and you're letting Microsoft change the code on your computer overnight with a forced reboot. Oh, you're a very smart cookie, aren't you? Oh, but Toby Buffon, I don't do that. I have IoT Enterprise LTSC because I'm so elite and cool and a hacker and shit. But I also have group policy. I have it rigged so that I don't have updates run at all. I don't have to worry about updates. I have updates disabled. Then why? The only point of running this fancy LTSC crap is so that you end up with updates for a longer period of time. So you turn off the updates and you run a version whose only real point for you is that you get the updates. Make it make sense. And I'm sure there are other reasons to run them, but I'm just tired of getting this comment. Windows IoT Enterprise LTSC. Shut up. I'm going to run Windows 10 Pro. And on computers that I would sell to someone else, I'm not installing Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC. If they have an issue one day and they need to get Windows 11 on there, I'm going to put something that they can upgrade to Windows 11 later or downgrade. And that's just the facts of life, brother. I'm sorry, but your IoT Enterprise LTSC stuff, it's getting old. People need to stop saying this to me. No, I won't put it on there. Screw off. Stop. You're wasting everybody's time. You're giving normies bad advice, and that's really the biggest problem. You're giving normies bad advice. It's not something that normal people can do. The difference between me and most computer guys is I understand normal people. Normal people are ignorant because they don't have to know. They're stupid because they don't have to know. And they do whatever generally is the path of least resistance, except for recommendations from people like me. And the problem is when you come along authoritatively saying Windows IoT Enterprise Herpaderp, they might enter the product key that switches their edition, get their edition switched and upgraded, and then find out that it's illegal for them to have it after they can't roll it back. Way to go, dipshit. Way to go.